Here I have ONEPLUS 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on three buttons, go to its settings, and here go to the watermark. Here you can enable it, so you can enable shot on ONEPLUS, location, and also date and time. So let's try this watermark out. And as you can see, here I have my shot on ONEPLUS, my location, timestamp, and powered by triple camera. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.